Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to the Country School Walton Branch YouTube channel. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button. Today we will understand chapter number 15, Light, Shadow and Reflections. We will learn about luminous and non-luminous objects, transparent, opaque and transparent objects, shadow, characteristics of a shadow. I'll just explain these topics. Our first topic is luminous and non-luminous objects. All objects which emits a light of their own are called luminous objects. The sun, the star, fire, torches and fireflies are some examples of luminous objects. Objects which do not emit a light of their own are called non-luminous objects. Wood, stones, chair, fans, human beings and clothes are examples of non-luminous objects. Such objects cannot be seen in the dark. These objects become visible only when light from a luminous object falls on them and travels from there to reach our eyes. Next heading, transparent, opaque and transparent objects. Various objects can be classified into three categories, namely transparent, opaque and transparent objects, depending on the way in which light falling on them from a light source passing through them. Objects which allow the light to pass through them are called transparent objects. A transparent object is a clear object. Examples of transparent objects are glass, water, thin clear plastic sheet and crystals. Objects which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Example of opaque objects are human and animal bodies. Metals like iron, steel, etc. Objects which allow only some of the light falling on them to pass through are called transparent objects. Example of transparent objects are tracing paper, tissue papers, muddy water, milky water and melted wax. Next topic is shadow. When an opaque object is kept in the path of a light from any light source, it blocks the passage of the light. The area of the darkness behind the opaque object is called the shadow. Of the object. Shadow can be easily observed. For the formation of the shadow, there are three requirements: a light source, an opaque object, a screen. Our next topic is characteristics of a shadow. Shadow is the area of darkness behind an opaque object. It does not reveal the detail of the object such as color, texture, etc. In fact, the shadow is any object does not depend upon its color. Objects of different colors but of similar shape will have the same type of the shadow. For example, both cold drink bottles, lime and orange, both roses, red and pink, and both cars, a blue car and a green car, will have similar shadows. Different objects of similar shadow will have the same type of a shadow. At sunrise or at sunset, the shadows on the ground become much longer than the size of the object. The size of the shadow becomes longer when the object is brought near the light source or the screen is moved away from the object. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.